Hello everyone and welcome back. It's time for another math lesson here on ESB. My name's Ted and thank you so much for joining us today. Our topic today is grouping numbers. Grouping numbers. Putting numbers into a group. Our 5 sentences are, number 1, look at the bowling pins in each box. Look at the bowling pins in each box. Sentence number 2. How many bowling pins do you see? How many bowling pins do you see? Sentence number 3. Group the bowling pins into odd numbers. Group the bowling pins into odd numbers. Number 4. How many odd-numbered groups can you make? How many odd-numbered groups can you make? And sentence number 5, you can make 2 odd-numbered groups. You can make 2 odd-numbered groups. Okay, those are the 5 main sentences. The topic once again, grouping numbers. Are you ready to study? Okay, let's go. Okay, so today our topic is grouping numbers. Grouping means making a group or putting into a group, putting together in a group. What do we have here? Well, we have 2 boxes, 1, 2 boxes, and each box has bowling pins. Bowling pins in the box. So first of all, let's look at the bowling pins in the box. Look at the bowling pins in each box. This box has bowling pins, and this box has bowling pins. How many bowling pins do you see? We must count them. How many means what is the number? Count the number. How many bowling pins do you see? Well, first of all, in this box, how many bowling pins do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bowling pins in this box. What about this box? How many bowling pins do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bowling pins in this box. How many bowling pins do you see? 5 and 3. The total is 8. We can see 8 bowling pins. 5 bowling pins in this box, 3 bowling pins in this box. A total of 8 bowling pins. Okay, remember today's topic. Grouping numbers. Grouping numbers. Making groups. Now we're going to make groups. We're going to take the bowling pins and make groups with them. First, it says group the bowling pins into odd numbers. Odd numbers. Do you remember about odd numbers? What were the odd numbers? Well, we learned 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. So, we must group the bowling pins into odd numbers. Make groups with odd numbers. What do we have? How many bowling pins do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bowling pins. 2 in this group, 2 in this group. Is 2 an odd number? No. 2 is not an odd number. 2 is an even number. We must group the bowling pins into odd numbers. We take this one. Now we have 1. Is 1 an odd number? Yes, it is. Let's put this one right here. Now what do we have? 1, 2, 3. Is 3 an odd number? Yes, it is. Aha! 3 and 1. 3 is one group. 3 is an odd number. 1 is the other group. 1 is also an odd number. How many odd-numbered groups can you make? We can make 1, 2. We can make 2 odd-numbered groups. You can make 2 odd-numbered groups. Once again, this group has 1, 2, 3. 3 bowling pins. 3 is an odd number. This group has 1 bowling pin. 1 is an odd number. So how many odd-numbered groups can you make? You can make 2 odd-numbered groups. Very good. Great work, everyone. Okay, great job today. Very good work. What did we learn? We learned about grouping numbers. A group means a set of things together. We put numbers into groups today. We grouped numbers. What did we use? We used bowling pins. That's right. We had 2 boxes, and each box had bowling pins in it. Do you remember? We had 4 bowling pins, and we made 2 groups. Each group had an odd number. We made 2 odd-numbered groups. 1 was a group of 1. 1 is an odd number. The other was a group of 3. 3 is an odd number. 1 group of 1, 1 group of 3. 2 odd-numbered groups. Great work. Lots of fun. Study hard. We'll see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.